Okay, so this is probably a super fast video because it's not as if this is something that I'm actually going to show you guys because that would be weird. Anyways, BaerSkin, if you watched the video that came out the other day, sent me one of their hard shell, I guess it is. I'm not even sure. Dedicated rain jackets, which we will be testing. It was the first look. But I just wanted to show you these. They came out with a line of underwear, you know, because who doesn't like nice underwear? Maybe there are some of you, but once you have tried nice underwear, you're like, I'm down with that. Now, these are double XLs. Now, just be aware, I actually normally take an extra large in regards to underwear. Again, maybe this is too much information. I don't know. But I am wearing them right now, and well, at least one pair, a blue pair. And I have to say, number one, fit is good. Even though these are 2XLs, and the XL would definitely have fit probably better because, you know, they're like a boxer brief type thing. I got a little bit of bagginess like in the thighs and stuff like that. But it also means that I guess that they won't stretch out because that's not happening. And if I decide to go to the buffet, then we should be okay. You know, it's just what I'm getting at. Anyways, the other thing with them, and I'll just show you guys a pair. I'll show you the one pair I'm wearing, navy blue, and yeah, lovely, and ridiculously soft, super soft. And I think they come with these little bags, right? Anyways, who thought I'd be showing underwear on this channel? But I like the BaerSkin stuff, and because they sent them to me, I'm like, yeah. Anyways, look at that. Look at that. So they are soft. That's the kicker. I don't know what else to say about underwear, honestly. You wear them, and if they feel good, then you're like, yeah, I like them. Sizing wise, I would say they're right on par. So if you normally take a double XL in your underwears, then these should fit good. If you take an extra large, I would think these would fit good because these are a little bit big on me, and normally I take one size smaller. These are using lensing modal softness by Edelweiss fiber technology, and I have to say, soft. Cleaning instructions, you guys can see that. 30% machine wash cold, do not bleach, cool iron, do not dry clean, do not tumble dry, do not tumble dry. Designed in Europe, made in China. And for some of you folks out there, which maybe you wear them, maybe you don't, it's got a little bit in here. It's not like a huge, I want to say, you know, pouch container, you know what I'm saying? Unit holder, you know, junk lifter. But it's a bit. It's there. There are some other brands that definitely have more of a dedicated front holding pouch area. You know what I'm saying? But these ones are fine. But like when you lay them flat, you can see that this part, there's more fabric kind of in this area kind of here. So it does allow that your junk, right, to kind of gather, hold in place there. So, and they do have like, they got a lovely, this is the leg, right? So lovely bit of stretch, and that's like everywhere. So like if you held these up here and you're just like, right, it's got a nice amount of stretch. No idea I'd be reviewing these on the channel, right? Everything's got nice stretch. That should be my thumbnail, right? Underwear, BaerSkin. Yeah, anyways, that's a green. It's like an army green. I like the army green. Actually, I like the blue. I do. I'm not going to say anything bad against the blue. The blue is good. And it's just a navy, like a dark navy blue. And then last but not least, we get black. So, same idea, right? Yeah. Yeah, they're good. They're nice. You know what? I've gone. So my past underwear that I bought were New Balance. I'm just going to throw out a brand name, New Balance. And the New Balance one, they fit nice. Same kind of idea. They have a little bit of the front pouch here. But I think I've only had them for like maybe a month or two. And some of them are already in this area, like right where the waistband attaches. They're separating, they're tearing right there. New Balance. I didn't think that would happen, but they're happening. So if you guys want, because you watch these and you're like, hey, you've been wearing them now for God knows how long. How are they holding up? I will tell you. I will tell you because, yeah, so far so good. But honestly, I only tried one pair and I've only been wearing them for a day. So because normally I wear my underwear for, like a week or so continuously because, just to get a good feel for them. That's not true. But yeah, down the road, especially when I come back from my trip, I am going to be bringing these. And I'll let you guys know if you want, because I honestly don't feel like making another video in regards to underwear. But if you want, I will. And we can talk about that. All right, guys. BaerSkin Underwear. Yeah, soft. Super soft. All right, guys. Links down below if you're interested. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And I will see you guys next video. Later.